So today I'm going to be showing you how to allow your keyboard to wake up your computer in Windows 10. Usually when your system's in sleep mode, your first reaction is to shaking a mouse or pressing a key on the keyboard. But usually you need like a manual initiative to take. So first, go to Device Manager. From here, go to Keyboards and right-click on Standard Keyboard and go to Properties. That brings you to the standard PS2 keyboard properties, and you should see another tab called Power Management, and unfortunately today I don't have it, but there should be one on your computer. And press on that and select Celeste to change either computer, and then press OK, and that should be it. So I hope this worked out for you. Thank you for watching.